Yeah, I'm always trying some new shit. Literally, I smell like a salad right now.
Baby, want no smoke with me. Hood, but I'm classy. Rich, but I'm ratchet. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. I'm a boss, I'm a leader. I pull up in my two-seater, and my mama was a savage. Nigga got this shit from Tina. I'm a savage.
Hey you guys, what's good, what's poppin'? Welcome back to the channel, which is Jaterra Bria'Na. If you don't know, now you know, so be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Today is a very good day for me, okay, because I'm finally taking these braids out. If you know me, I can't keep a style to save my life, okay? And I've almost had these braids in for an entire month. Like, that's crazy. They weren't even super duper ready to come out. Like, you could have redid your perimeter if you wanted to, but I gotta make more content for you guys. So this is what the hair was looking like. I did my front row over, but my hair was just growing at an exponential rate. Like, look at the back of my hair. Look, do you see my roots? Girl, if I don't take the shit out of my hair, I cannot, okay? I cannot. I'm over it. So what you gonna do is get you a pair of scissors and you gonna cut that hoe up, okay? Please cut way beyond where you think your hair ends. Like, I would rather you cut too much and take a little bit more time while taking your braids out than you cutting your hair on accident, because then you just gonna be sick, unless that was the goal. But if there's another goal, girl, don't cut your hair, okay? So I'm just cutting these braids out. I ended up cutting more throughout. Like, I cut higher up, but I just was scared. I wanted to be sure, okay? So, and look at me getting scared thinking that I cut my hair, but I didn't. I promise you I didn't. So anyways, I'm just gonna put these up so I can focus on the bottom row. And then all I'm doing is taking a comb and I'm just plucking it out. And once I get a good amount out, I'm just gonna pull at the braid, and it literally unravels for you. So I just kept doing that. And I did it all throughout my head. And when you get to the root, you're just gonna slide the hair right out, and it should come out perfectly fine. And now here's the thing. And my hair felt really soft, so I was happy about that. But here's the thing. What you want to do is you're going to take a comb, like a rat tail comb. Don't get scared when I say this, but you see that lint and that dirt up there? You got to get that out. Every single time you take a braid out, you need to take the lint out as well, because if not, you're going to struggle detangling your hair at the end, okay? So a little bit of hair always comes out when I take braids out. I don't know if I'm the only one, but it's normal. So I went ahead and did that to my entire head, and now I look like this. Fucking crazy. So now that all of my hair is fully out, I got a big ass bush and everything is kind of sort of detangled. I'm about to go wash my hair, and I'm about to show you the products that I'm using, but I'm not going to wash my hair on camera because that's just doing too much. But basically, I'm using Crow's Daughter today. I'm using the Goddess Strength and the Cocoa Cream shampoo and conditioner. But I accidentally picked up two shampoos because both lines have a shampoo and conditioner. But now I got the right one, and I love these. Like, I love this combo together. So I'm about to go wash my hair off camera, like I said. And then when I come back, I'll show you what we got going on.
Okay, y'all, so I know I probably look crazy, but let me tell y'all what's about to go down, okay? So right now I have on a daggone Safeway bag on my hair. I always do this when I'm conditioning just because I like my hair to be super duper soft and manageable. So I like to let my conditioner sit in for like 10 to 15 minutes, right? But when I was taking my, oh my God, my computer about to die. Hold on, y'all. When I was taking my braids out, I noticed that my hair felt a little like dry and a little brittle. Like, my curls was clumping together like crazy, but overall my hair felt a little dry and brittle. So I'm gonna let the conditioner sit in my hair for longer than usual, and I decided to go ahead and make this daggone protein treatment situation that I'm like mixing up right now. And y'all, it stinks, it looks disgusting, but 9 times out of 10 it's gonna do. It's gonna be a blessing for my hair, okay? So let me show y'all what it looks like. It looks like Philip. It looks like baby shit, okay? That's what it looks like. So, but it's good for you, and I'm gonna tell y'all what's in it. So right now it probably looks like some nasty, boring, bland guacamole, but basically what this is one whole small avocado, She was like getting mushy, so I was gonna use half in the avocado, but I wasn't gonna eat that because it was way too mushy, way more mushier than my liking. So I went ahead and mushed all of that up in here. I added an egg, I added some extra virgin olive oil, and I added some coconut oil. Okay, so that is my mixture right now. She's thick. I made a lot. This is the consistency. She literally just flopped right back down into the bowl. And I'm gonna pour in some of this Goddess Strength, Divine Strength leave-in cream for weak, breakage prone hair. Remember I said my hair felt brittle, so that's why I'm adding that in here. Also, oh, why did that just pump out like that? Oh my Lanta. Anyways, I'm gonna pump some of that in here because, like I said, I don't know what it's probably my fault. I wasn't oiling my scalp as much as I should have, simply because I got a little lazy, you know. So basically I'm gonna mix that up, and I want to get as much bang for my buck. If I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do it the right way. So I'm pumping in some castor oil right now. I don't even know if I showed y'all the bottom. But I'm pumping in some castor oil just because my hair needs all the nutrients right now, okay? Adding those oils and that cream kind of helped out with the consistency. It's not as thick anymore, as you can tell. It's a little bit more runnier, but I like this consistency. So I'm going to take the bag off and show y'all what my hair looks like. But this is about to get messy. So let me just prepare myself and get my towel on. I'm also wearing a shirt that I really don't give two F's about. So definitely don't wear anything that you care about, obviously. And let my hair down. I just put her into two twists. So I'm gonna keep this side up for right now and focus on this side. So yeah, like I said earlier, my curl pattern, like my curls look really good, but I just feel like my hair looks a little dull, and it feels like it can need, I can't fucking talk today. It feels like it needs some help, okay? Some strength added back into it. Like my curls are cute, but it's not doing it for me right now. So first I'm just gonna put some right in my hand. This smells nasty. Oh my god, it feels disgusting. Okay, focus on how good your hair is gonna look after a turn. Don't even worry about it. Oh, this is nasty. Y'all, let me tell y'all, I've only put one protein treatment in my hair before, and it did not go well. Oh my god, this is really messy. So I'm gonna use smaller amounts. But y'all, I only did one protein treatment before. I'm glad I'm wearing stuff that I don't care about because it's getting on my clothes already. I only did one protein treatment before, and that went terribly. I was home by myself. I was just Googling, and I was like, let me add an egg and some mayonnaise and some, I don't know what else I put in my hair. 9 times out of 10, some oil. And I put it all through my hair, and then I took a shower. And I took a shower to wash my hair out. And when I take showers, you know, I'm a female, so we have to let our freaking skin burn off of us. So I put the highest heat level on, and I cooked the egg all through my hair. Yes, girl, I cooked the egg all through my hair, and it was a struggle getting that crap out. So if you're doing this with me at home, please remind yourself to wash your hair with cold water. You're gonna freeze, but it's perfectly fine. It'll be worth it in the end because you do not want to cook this stuff in your hair. This better be worth it. Like when I'm done my hair, this crap better make my hair feel like, I don't even know, girl. I don't even know what to say. It just better be worth it. Just when you're doing this, try to get, I mix this up with a spoon. Mix it up with a fork, because you know you put in avocado in here, but I thought my avocado was that mushy that I wasn't gonna have this many chunks in it. But go ahead and make sure you mix up your avocado as much as possible, because it's not a struggle to apply it, it's just the chunks of the avocado are trying to fall down. Make sure you get your roots. You want those to be super duper strong, because if your hair breaks at the root, then girl, you gonna be bald headed. Bald head Hoshi, bald head Hoshi. Get it, bitch. So I'm about to go ahead and do the other side off camera, because 9 times out of 10 my camera's about to shut off. So when I'm done, I'll show y'all the end result. Yeah. I'm always trying some new shit. Why must I be this way? Okay, so actually, I used the whole goddamn bow. Excuse all these straggly pieces. I hate seeing like hair falling out. It makes you feel like you're going bald headed, but trust me on that. I have too much hair to handle actually. But not too much hair to handle. God, please don't make me go bald. But y'all know what I'm trying to say. But anyways, I ended up using the whole damn one thing, so that's good. I didn't waste any food or any of these expensive oils like extra virgin olive oil, so that's really really good. So if you have more hair or as much hair as I do, then 9 times out of 10 shit is falling down. 9 times out of 10 you should be fine with that amount as well. Now what I'm about to do is I'm gonna put the rubber band on her just so she could stay together. Get all my hair. My curls look good though. Y'all can't tell me, you can't tell me that my curls not clumped up nicely. You can't tell me they ain't, okay? Get another rubber band. Hopefully, it's so slippery. Okay. For this side, and then I like to rip my bag. I clean my hands to get the extra mess on my hands. How smart. I like to rip my bag. So I can tie it in the back like a knot. Basically what the plastic bags do for me is allow my hair to sweat, and it just lets it like really deeply condition, and just also protects everything, because 9 times out of 10 I mess the chair up that I'm sitting in. So it protects everything else around me from, you know, getting hair products or food in this case all over it, and it allows my hair to just marinate, okay? Literally, I smell like a salad right now. So, not too bad, not too bad. My biker shorts are a little messed up, but you know, that'll wash out in the washer. So yeah, I'm going to come back when I am fully done the process, and I'm gonna tell y'all how I like it, what I don't like about it and whatnot, and hopefully my hair looks really, really good. If not, this was a big waste of my time, but it was also a learning experience, so.
Okay, you guys, so finished rinsing all that shit out my hair, and I just applied some coconut oil and some black vanilla leave-in spray from Curl's Daughter, just because my hair didn't smell like anything, and I don't like that. I like my hair to smell good. And I have yet to detangle. This is the first time I'm running my Denman brush through my hair from roots to ends, and y'all, I don't know if it's the coconut oil or what, but the brush is just going straight through my hair. Like, look at that. Are you kidding me? Like, what? And then do you see the curls in the front of my hair? Like, oh my God, I was so excited. I was so shook, okay? So, I can't believe it. Y'all have to try this at home and tell me how y'all like it. But anyways, now I'm about to section and detangle my hair, and I'm also going to add this Muru Guru cream that I'm going to show you guys in a second. I just keep touching my hair because I can't believe how good it feels. But basically, I'm doing this just to go to sleep. I didn't want to touch my hair anymore after doing all of that to my hair. I just wanted to moisturize my hair and let it chill out. And I'm basically prepping my hair for the next style that I'm doing, which you guys will see in the next video. So I'm just adding a little bit more product, like I said. And do you see how the curls are just popping? Like what? And then I'm just gonna put these little dookie doo-doo twists in my hair. It's really important to take care of your natural hair, okay? I know I'm always showing y'all protective styles and how to do weaves and whatnot and braids and twists and stuff, but please take care of your curls, okay? Your hair is your crown. Wear it properly and make sure you take care of your hair, all right? Do y'all see this? I'm gonna show y'all like a close-up at the end, but yeah, 10 out of 10 recommend doing this, okay? So yeah, like I said, I'm going to sleep after this because I didn't want to do too much more to my hair. So I'm just going to wrap it with a silk scarf, and I'm also going to put on a silk bonnet. If you have a silk pillowcase, definitely use that. But here is the close-up. I tried to show you guys. My hair felt really soft. It smelled really good, and it was just super duper moisturized. So I actually really like this protein treatment. If you guys want to see more natural remedies like this, please comment down below. Tell me exactly what y'all want me to film next. And be sure to look out for my next videos. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, mamas. Mwah.
I know in my life I've been talking about the way I do it, why you. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true.